So let's look at D. D. So let's start from the top, and remember, be writing with me. Write along, pen, paper. Write along with me. So we want to have D starting at the top, going down and back up and around. Nice one big loop, one big swoosh, consistent. D and D. D. Very nice. D and B are the opposite. So with your left hand is B, B, E, D, D, B, E, D. One little trick to remember which one's which. B, left hand, so left and right, D. Now E. E, let's go along here, and down, and across, and in the middle, E, and E. E. Very good. Very good. An F. Let's have an F. F. And F. Nice little loop here. F. Starting at the bottom, going up, and down, and across. F. F. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. And again, remember, the midpoint of the uppercase is the midpoint, so lowercase here, the loop. Middle point, top of the E. Midpoint of F, top of the lowercase f. And they're the same height at the top. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. D, D and D. Very good. Very nice. And E, E and E. E, E, D, 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 E, E. Very nice. And F. Or, yeah. F. F and F. F, F. Very good. Okay. Let's do it once more. D, going down and across. And D or D. Very nice. E. And E. And F. F. F, F. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, let's get some words. But which words exactly? Okay, hold on. So let's get dad. D, A, D. Very nice. And deep. D, E, E, P. Deep. Very nice. Let's have eat. E, A, T. Eat. And east. E, A, S, T. East. And F. Let's have a look at F. We have frog. F. R, O, G. And fog. 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 Can't see where you're going. And frog. Ribbit. Ribbit. And eat. Eat. And east. 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 Very good. Let's do them once more. D, 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 E, and E. F, or F, and F. Very nice. Very nice. D, E, F. Whoops. There it is again. Very good. Okay. Let's keep going.